Hi friends, welcome back. I'm making this beautiful feather painting with alcohol ink and alcoholic markers, and I use this ultra premium photo paper from Staples, and which is high gloss as you can see on the screen. And that's what I'll be using to make this painting. And in order to blend the alcohol ink, you need a solution that I use 91% isopropyl alcohol. You can get it at pharmacy stores. And I use the back side of the photo paper to make the painting. So the color I'm using is Jacquard brand Magenta. And I dilute it with a little isopropyl alcohol. And then another color also Jacquard brand, and I used blue violet. And I also diluted with isopropyl alcohol to lighten it a little bit. And then I used a tiny brush to draw the feathers. So first I'm drawing the center, and then lightly sketching the shapes of the feathers. Just a rough sketch will do. Later on we'll be blending it again. And now let's add some magenta. And I mixed a little bit of blue violet also in the magenta. And then next I'm using coral, also Jacquard brand. It's called coral color. And lastly I'm using gold and yellow. And this is totally abstract painting, so it's up to your imagination. You can use any colors that you like, but I chose these colors. And then once you add that ink, you let it dry for a little bit and then add isopropyl alcohol and start blowing. And the blowing tool that I'm using is the silicone craft air blower that you can get on Amazon. So basically just keep on adding isopropyl alcohol and blowing it in the direction of the feathers. And as you can see, it's really beautiful. And I can't wait to see how the finished one looks like. I think it's coming along pretty good. Adding some more colors in between. I really like making abstract paintings because that gives a great satisfaction. And I don't need to be prepared to make any abstract painting. Just whatever it comes along, I'm willing to take that as the final version of my painting. Just go with the flow, go with your imagination, and just keep painting. I'm cleaning my brush with isopropyl alcohol. Just add some isopropyl alcohol and wipe it with tissue paper. And I use the Cali art markers to draw some lines and shapes on the feather. That's again up to your imagination. You can use any colors that you like for drawing the shapes of the feather. I used a mix of purple, blues, yellows, magenta and orange. And the reason I'm using these Cali art markers is because it's alcohol based markers and it blends easily with isopropyl alcohol. That's why I'm using that paint.